Dive into Indulge in Unraveling the Phrase for English learners. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel a phrase that you might have heard often in English conversations: indulge in. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and give you examples to help you incorporate it into your own English speaking and writing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use the phrase with confidence. Indulge in is a phrase that means to allow oneself to enjoy a particular pleasure or activity, often considered a treat or luxury. It suggests taking part in something enjoyable or satisfying, especially something that is considered extra or beyond the usual. This phrase can be used with a wide range of activities and can also imply over-enjoyment or enjoying something to excess. Using indulge in is quite straightforward. It is often followed by a noun or a gerund, verb plus ing, that represents the activity or pleasure you are referring to. Nouns: indulge in chocolate, indulge in luxury, indulge in retail therapy. Gerunds: indulge in eating, indulge in shopping, indulge in gaming. Remember, the tone when using this phrase can range from neutral to positive, and sometimes it can suggest a guilty pleasure. To help you understand how to use indulge in, here are some sentences showing the phrase in action. 1. After a long week at work, I like to indulge in a relaxing bubble bath. 2. He decided to indulge in an extra slice of pizza, even though he was on a diet. 3. They indulged in some sightseeing on their last day of vacation. 4. It's important not to indulge in too much screen time before bed. These sentences show the versatility of the phrase in expressing both simple pleasures and occasional excesses. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps you understand and start to indulge in the use of this phrase in your daily English. Remember, language learning is an adventure, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward in your journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to indulge in English learning. Until next time, happy learning!